Hi, my name is Jeff Raker. Welcome to the question for today. Where am I tempted to compromise? This is our question. Leaders don't just suddenly fall from lack of ethics, from immorality, or illegal activity. There are small compromises that build up to that point. Where am I tempted to compromise? The smallest compromise opens the door to the next compromise, which is always larger. Where is that pitfall for you? Where is that place that you seek a short-term gain, which can significantly impact long-term success? Remember, it's not how you start, and it's not even the number of failures you have along the way. It's how you finish that matters more than anything else. Level up your leadership with this question for today.